This creature slowly approaches a house where puppies are gathered. The puppies stay close, unaware of the danger nearby. For a moment, nothing happens. But before I show you what happens next, if this little cat makes you smile, hit like and subscribe to my channel. And look at this poor cat, outside, shivering, alone and sad. If you have a gentle heart, comment or drop a heart emoji for this little one. Now, watch closely. The creature moves closer to the puppies. The mother dog reacts instantly. She attacks without hesitation, protecting her babies at all costs. The creature backs away, then runs off into the darkness.